It's Emma.
And Jalen.
And this is Minica's Little Chem Notes. Have fun.
And thanks for that, guys. All right, so here we are. We're talking about net ionic equations today. Have a good one. So net ionic equations are only showing elements, compounds, and ions that are directly involved in your chemical reaction. So we're taking out things that are not directly involved. So step one, first thing you need to do is write the formula for all the ions. Remember, those are positives and negatives that are present in the water solution of each substance, and those are the aqueous water solutions. Step two, make sure it's balanced. This is adding coefficients. You're replacing the formulas of each substance in the molecular equation with the formula of the ions, and then you remove any of the spectator ions who just don't participate in the reaction. They just kind of sit there. So anything that doesn't undergo a change, you're going to remove. So this is called a net ionic equation. So net meaning overall, ionic meaning charges. So here we have a reaction. We have zinc solid plus hydrochloric acid yields zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So step one says, write the formulas of the ions that are present in the water solutions of each substance. So the water solutions would be this and this. So here we go. So we start with HCl, AQ. And that's going to break apart into what ions? It's going to be H plus, which is also in solution, and Cl minus, which is in solution. The other one we have is zinc chloride. That breaks apart into the zinc, which by the way is a +2. You can also say 2 plus, and that's in solution. And Cl minus in solution. However, there are 2 chloride ions, so we'll put a 2 out front here. So those are our 2 formulas for the ions that are in solution, okay? The next thing we're going to do is write your balanced chemical reaction. So this up top is not balanced. Don't forget the work we just did, but let's balance this next. So scorecard if you need. CN1H2 Cl2. So looks like this is a pretty straightforward one. We're just going to put a 2 out front here. So there's a 2 in front of the HCl. Keep that in mind. So there's that. Replace the formulas of each substance in the molecular equation with the formulas of its ions. So here we have this. So instead of writing 2HCl, we're going to write 2H plus and 2Cl minus, AQ, as this is going to be broken up into that. Then we have the zinc chloride, which was Zn plus 2, AQ. I'm going to run out of room. And 2Cl minus, AQ. And then we still had the H2 gas. So notice I just took this and broke it up into its ion component parts. And so I'm sorry it's messy. This says zinc solid plus 2H plus aqueous plus 2Cl minus aqueous yields zinc plus 2 aqueous and 2Al minus aqueous and H2. Okay, so now we have this, which is what I just came up with. Remove the spectator ions, which means the ones that have not undergone any change. So if we look from this side to this side, okay, that's a change. Change. Ooh, that's not a change. So the 2Cl minuses have not undergone a change. So we're going to simply write zinc solid plus 2H plus AQ yields zinc plus 2 AQ and H2 gas. So that's called a net ionic equation. It's removing the spectators. And this is not on the Regents, but it's certainly a concept that you're going to need to know for higher level science classes. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.